Welcome back to our channel. We are Same. Today we are going to learn about flowers and their names. Let's start. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. The lotus is a beautiful water flower that grows in ponds and lakes. It is special because it blooms clean and bright, even in muddy water. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. Marigold flowers are bright yellow or orange and very cheerful. They are often used in festivals, decorations, and traditional garlands. R-O-S-E, rose. Roses are famous flowers known for their lovely fragrance and soft petals. They come in many colors like red, pink, white, and yellow. C-H-A-M-P-A-K, champak. Champak flowers are golden yellow and smell very sweet. They are often used to make perfumes and temple offerings. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. Sunflowers are tall flowers that turn their heads toward the sun. Their big yellow petals look like the shining sun in the sky. H-I-B-U-S-C-U-S, hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers are large, colorful, and trumpet-shaped. They are often used to make herbal tea and natural hair care. C-H-A-M-O-M-I-L-E, chamomile. Chamomile flowers look like tiny daisies with white petals. They are famous for making relaxing and calming herbal tea. A-S-T-E-R, aster. Aster flowers look like little stars in the garden. They bloom in purple, pink, and white colors during late summer. F-R-A-N-G-I-P-A-N-I, frangipani. Frangipani flowers are very fragrant and tropical. They are often seen in gardens and used in flower leis. C-A-N-N-O-N-B-A-L-L, cannonball flower. The cannonball flower grows on large trees and has a strong fragrance. Its fruit looks like a round cannonball, which gives the flower its name. P-E-R-I-W-I-N-K-L-E, periwinkle. Periwinkle flowers are small and colorful, often pink or purple. They can grow easily in many climates and stay fresh for a long time. P-I-N-W-H-E-E-L, pinwheel flower. Pinwheel flowers have petals that look like spinning wheels. They are delicate white flowers with a pleasant fragrance. J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Jasmine flowers are tiny white flowers with a sweet smell. They are widely used in perfumes and hair decorations. A-N-G-L-E-W-I-N-G-J-A-S-M-I-N-E, angel wing jasmine. Angel wing jasmine has star-shaped white flowers. Its petals look like little angel wings spreading beautifully. C-A-P-E-J-A-S-M-I-N-E, Cape jasmine. Cape jasmine flowers are creamy white and very fragrant. They are also known as gardenia and loved in gardens. N-I-G-H-T-B-L-O-O-M-I-N-G-J-A-S-M-I-N-E, night blooming jasmine. This jasmine blooms only at night and spreads a strong fragrance. Its sweet scent fills the air in the evening. L-I-L-A-C, lilac. Lilac flowers grow in clusters and smell very sweet. They usually bloom in purple, pink, and white shades. O-R-C-H-I-D, orchid. Orchids are exotic and elegant flowers that come in many unique shapes and vibrant colors. They are special because they can grow on trees, air plants, and symbolize beauty, love, and luxury. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y-P-E-A. Butterfly pea. Butterfly pea flowers are bright blue and very unique. They are often used to make natural blue herbal drinks. W-A-T-E-R-L-I-L-Y. Water lily. Water lilies float beautifully on the surface of ponds. Their round leaves and colourful flowers create a peaceful scene. S-P-I-D-E-R-L-I-L-Y. Spider lily. Spider lilies have long, slender petals that resemble delicate spider legs. They often bloom suddenly after rain, creating a striking and mysterious display. D-A-Y-L-I-L-Y. Day lily. Day lilies bloom only for one day, but new flowers appear daily. They are bright, cheerful, and easy to grow in gardens. T-I-G-E-R-L-I-L-Y. Tiger lily. Tiger lilies have orange petals with dark spots like a tiger. Their unique pattern makes them easy to recognize. R-A-I-N-L-I-L-Y. Rain lily. Rain lilies bloom quickly after rainfall. Their delicate flowers appear like magic after a shower. R-A-N-G-O-N-C-R-E-E-P-E-R. Rangoon creeper. Rangoon creeper is a climbing plant with sweet-smelling flowers. Its flowers change colour from white to pink and red. L-A-V-E-N-D-E-R. Lavender. Lavender flowers are purple and very fragrant. They are widely used in perfumes, oils, and relaxation products. T-U-L-I-P. Tulip. Tulips are elegant cup-shaped flowers. They are famous spring flowers in many beautiful colours. G-E-R-B-E-R-A. Gerbera. Gerbera flowers are large and bright like colourful daisies. They are very popular in bouquets and decorations. B-O-U-G-A-I-N-V-I-L-L-E-A. Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea plants have bright pink, purple or orange bracts. They grow as climbing vines and decorate walls beautifully. L-A-N-T-A-N-A. Lantana. Lantana flowers grow in colourful clusters. They attract butterflies and change colours as they grow. I-X-O-R-A. Ixora. Ixora flowers grow in small bright clusters of red or orange. They are common in tropical gardens. C-A-S-C-A-B-E-L-A. Cascabella. Cascabella flowers are yellow and trumpet-shaped. They grow on small trees and look very attractive. C-O-S-M-O-S. Cosmos. Cosmos flowers are light, delicate, and colourful. They sway gently in the breeze in open fields. C-R-O-C-U-S. Crocus. Crocus flowers bloom early in spring. Some crocus plants produce the valuable spice saffron. P-O-P-P-Y. Poppy. Poppy flowers are bright red and very delicate. They are often symbols of remembrance and peace. D-A-F-F-O-D-I-L-S. Daffodils. Daffodils are bright yellow flowers shaped like trumpets. They are one of the first flowers to bloom in spring. C-H-R-Y-S-A-N-T-H-E-M-U-M. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemums are fluffy flowers with many petals. They are popular in gardens and festival decorations. D-A-I-S-Y. Daisy. Daisies have white petals with a yellow center. They symbolize innocence and simplicity. B-U-T-T-E-R-C-U-P, buttercup. Buttercup flowers are small and shiny yellow. Their petals reflect sunlight beautifully. D-A-H-L-I-A, dahlia. Dahlias have large layered petals and many colors. They are admired for their perfect symmetrical shapes. A-L-L-A-M-A-N-D-A, alamander. Alamander flowers are bright yellow and trumpet-shaped. They grow on climbing vines in tropical gardens. Z-I-N-N-I-A, zinnia. Zinnias are bright, colorful flowers loved by butterflies. They are easy to grow and bloom for a long time. C-R-O-W-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, crown flower. Crown flowers have star-shaped petals that look like a crown. They're often used in traditional garlands. A-N-T-H-U-R-I-U-M, anthurium. Anthurium flowers have shiny heart-shaped petals. They are popular indoor decorative plants. M-O-R-N-I-N-G-G-L-O-R-Y, morning glory. Morning glory flowers bloom early in the morning. They usually close again by afternoon. C-A-N-N-A, canna. Canna flowers are tall and tropical looking. Their bright colors attract hummingbirds and butterflies. C-A-R-N-A-T-I-O-N-S, carnations. Carnations have soft ruffled petals and a pleasant fragrance. They are widely used in bouquets and celebrations. A-D-E-N-I-U-M, adenium. Adenium is also called the desert rose. It grows in dry areas and has thick stems with bright flowers. I-R-I-S, iris. Iris flowers have unique petals that look like wings. They bloom in beautiful shades of purple, blue, and yellow. I-N-D-I-A-N-B-L-A-N-K-E-T, Indian blanket. Indian blanket flowers are red and yellow, like a colorful blanket. They grow easily in sunny fields. P-E-T-U-N-I-A, petunia. Petunias are bright, trumpet-shaped flowers. They are very popular for garden borders and hanging baskets. P-A-N-S-Y, pansy. Pansy flowers have colorful petals that look like little faces. They bloom in cool weather and brighten gardens. D-A-N-D-E-L-I-O-N-S, dandelions. Dandelions are yellow flowers that turn into fluffy seed balls. Their seeds float away in the wind like tiny parachutes. M-A-N-G-O-L-I-A, magnolia blossom. Magnolia blossoms are large, elegant flowers with a sweet scent. They grow on trees and symbolize beauty and dignity. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, WeAreSame. Subscribe to our channel and discover a whole new world of learning. You can also follow us on Instagram. Watch our other videos by visiting our channel, WeAreSame. Explore more educational videos on our channel and keep visiting our channel on a regular basis for new videos. Thank you.